This is me, Sophia. This is my grandma. And we got some plants right here. We're gonna plant them for the YouTube, right?
Great.
Okay, so now I'm gonna plant this dirt. Here is my soil that I made out of one of these packets. Let me grab it. Got the soil, and also what you're wondering is what's going on. What did I buy? What for plants? I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you the pots I got for them. Here are the pots. And I got 12 different seed packets, four vegetables, 4 herbs, and 4 flowers. Here they are. I'm gonna reveal them with you now.
Over there on that hook.
Good job. This becomes that. This is a mess. You need more. Yeah, you need more, Grandma?
There's some.
Now we got this. We got one for here, here, and here. Okay, guys, now we got that done. I'm sorry about my hiccups. Now we're gonna do these. So 1, 2, 3, 4. What? 5. 6. 7. Second, sorry. 8, 9. Oh my god. Got 10 of these. Do these. See? There's 3 outside. Okay. So we got like basically 20 of the pots, but I'm doing another just like cardboard style. So yeah. There. Okay, let's plant them. Plant these. Got my seeds now. My seeds. I'm gonna grab something if it sounds like. Okay, guys, I have some plants right here. So I have bell peppers, eggplant, marigolds, morning glory, which is this flower, African daisy, lavender, oregano, thyme, basil. Sorry about my hiccups. I got zucchini, sage, and lettuce. So we're gonna put these out and see you guys go. These are dirt. These are all potted. Pots right here and here. Let's get planting. I'm gonna label them. Guys, here's my plants. Some of them didn't grow yet. Well, none of them grow because it's only been like a day or two. And guys, and now I have something fun to show you. So I got some seeds in this box that I planted. I'm gonna show you. Okay, sorry about the noise. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you when I get home to show you the progress on the plants, because the video you're watching previously when you're in this video was like almost like a week ago, and like not a week ago but like a couple of days ago. So I will show you my plants later, and bye.